Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I have to make a masculine card, so I'm cut 2 pieces of Canson watercolor card down to 4.5 by 5 or 5.5 by 4.25. I have this lovely thing here. Looks kind of weird, but it's a great thing for your brushes. It's got it cleans at the bottom and then holds your brushes upright, and I can leave links for all these products down below where I can find them. And it's not cheap, but I really like it, and I think it's a great thing. What's it called? For the Paint Puck Company, and they have different ones, different sizes, and I like this one. I use solely for my watercoloring and a different bucket for my acrylics, but which I've got all over my desk right now. So the products I'm going to be using today, besides that, is I think I'm going to do some little fine touches here with this liquitex iridescent bright gold acrylic ink. I'm going to use these brushes by Artify, and this was recommended by the Frugal Crafter, so I'm going to go ahead and try these out. It comes with a 3/0 liner, a 0 round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 round, a 1/2 inch flat, a 3/4 cat's tongue, and a 1 inch flat. So it says for watercolor, gouache, and acrylic, and oil. So we'll see. It was a pretty good price, and I'm going to go ahead and open that. My paints, I'm using this right here. I can't remember. I think I got these on jet pens. So they're Japanese watercolors in these beautiful muted tones. And just to give you an idea here, it's got a shadow pink, shadow yellow, shadow green, shadow blue, shadow purple, and shadow vermilion. And they're very pretty. And again, I can try to leave a link down below for that. So I'm going to go ahead and mist these just so they're all right. And then put these aside for a second. Oh, so you can see with this paint puck, you can keep them like that. So I'm going to use the wash brush. This is the 1 inch wash. And then just kind of get my paper a little bit wet here. Completely decided what I'm doing. I'm just kind of getting some color down, see where it takes me. All right, I really like this here. Beautiful green. Oh, it's so pretty. Maybe it loose. Shadow green. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going to give them a spritz here so they move. And then we've got, I'll do a bit of this blue right by this green. Just kind of letting it do its thing with a wet on wet technique there. Dab that up a little bit. Get some purple in, so I'm going to come over here. Maybe on this one I'll use this vermilion. Oops, because I kind of like what that's doing there. All right. I'm going to kind of get some of this so it doesn't get all muddy, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry this. All right, so here's where we're at so far. So I'm going to go a little more darker colors over here. Maybe some more of this green. Then we'll start to get our gold worked in there. That shadow green. Keep it sort of ethereal, loosey-goosey. Give this acrylic ink a shake. Look at that. So fun. And then mix that gold in amongst that. Have this one. That shadowy pink, it's really nice. And then more of that purple here, and then that there. I really like these brushes too. These are turning out to be a nice feel to that. Give this another dry. So obviously I probably should have taped this down, but it'll, as it dries, it will flatten out. And you can kind of manipulate the fibers a little bit so that it's flatter. And then when I glue it down on my card base, I'll just be sure to really cover that all evenly with adhesive. I kind of like how that turned out. I like this one too. And before I make these into cards, I will scan them in just because, you know, that makes pretty background paper for my digital prints in my Etsy shop. And take this moment to go ahead and thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Yeah, check out the links below. I think you would really like these. It's amazing what we can do with just a little bit of color, just 6 watercolors and a brush and some water, and that acrylic ink, which I love. So thanks so much for joining me, guys. I'll leave pictures about with the finished card at the end of the video so you can see what I did with those. Have a great day.